Yes, we have a throttle cable. As you guys saw, it was fully functioning. Our little piece, and then it just basically connects with the Allens and screw those down, and there they are. So we have Fox body, throttle throttle cable end, go-kart weird union piece, dual cam KA 240 throttle cable. Crazy. Custom bracket I made. I'm gonna go ahead and trim it up and make it look a little bit better and paint it up. It's nice and responsive. It doesn't bind. It's really nice and free-flowing. It has to be kind of driven downwards. That's why my bracket's way down there. But once we paint it black, I'm gonna kind of do like that bed liner paint, so it's nice and kind of like a textured finish. I think it should be good. I'm gonna paint that. I'm also gonna paint our power steering bracket because it looks a little grimy. And yes, I know these have to be painted as well. Oh, by the way, just real quick. Oh, look at how sneaky that be. Dude, and that is our washer reservoir down in there. If you guys missed last video, what are you doing? First of all, come on. But that is super sleek. Essentially made a custom little bracket. I actually still have to paint it, by the way. So I'll rip that off right now, get her painted up. So you guys are painting and a fresh can of paint has no juice anymore. Alright, so since I can't really do that right now, I think I am going to start messing with this stupid hose again, man. I don't know why she just always leaks. It's like take number 15 at trying to get this leak sorted out. Start it up. Let's see what happens here. Like, please don't leak. Woo. Damn. It's a nice cold start right there. Oh yeah. This is just getting really oh my god. Oh my. Whoa. Well, this thing's still gone. This right here is the reality of working on cars, man. Like, it's not all butterflies and rainbows, you know what I mean? That's why I try not to put too much like negative stuff like this on the channel, but I just also want to show you guys that this does happen, and sometimes it takes up a lot of time. You guys see this right here? Remember that coolant temp sensor I just bought? That, well, this one actually is snagged from my car. And then I bought one from my car because I stole it. And now here we are, having to buy another one. Man, what a day. So, just got back from Home Depot. Well, first off, currently it's now raining. Just got back from Home Depot, got a bunch of hose clamps. I thought that maybe the hose clamps were just poor quality and they're just pinching in the wrong spot. So, and I flipped some hoses around, so I think we should be good. New problem. So you guys know how this thing was leaking a little bit here on the fill neck, you know, or this little aluminum fitting right there. So, upon tightening it, I tried loosening it. No, like nothing. You know, it didn't want to move. I let it cool down. Now, I just tried to loosen it, and the damn thing is stripped now all of a sudden. Not the threads, well, probably the threads also, but the damn Allen head. Now I have to somehow get that out of there, and now re-tap. Woo! Alright, so we're back. We had a minor injury. Don't ask how it happened, but we're here. I drilled out the old fitting. Thing was destroyed, and here I am. Tapping a new one. Just we out here. Alright, here we go. What is this, like take 20 at this point? Oh man. Please don't leak anymore. Just please don't. Okay, well clearly it is into the evening now, and unfortunately I probably will not have a video for you guys on Tuesday because of there's just no, you know, there's no content. All I did today was just focus on, well, we got the throttle cable done. That's awesome. That's super exciting. We just have to paint that bracket, which I'm gonna do now. But all I've been messing with all day is literally this damn leak. And you wanna know the best part is, I don't even know what I just did, but I think I fixed it. This thing is leaking. Like right at the top of this sensor, it's cracked. And she's leaking a little bit. Like it's like a, you know, it's just a little bit of, might have to go ahead and get a new one. This one here is just like for your OEM cluster reading. That's what shows your gauge temperature. So, yeah. Not too sure what else tonight's gonna hold, but I'm sure we're gonna kind of collaborate today and tomorrow anyways, because today is a bit of a fail. Oh man, okay. Well, at least the weather's gorgeous. Let's try again today, shall we? First things first, guys. We're taking this thing around the block today. I don't care what happens today. I will be taking this thing around the block at 4 a.m. if I have to. First things first, though, we have to go ahead and bleed the brakes. Very important. We're gonna start at the rear, and only the problem is I don't have a buddy here to help me bleeding, so I'm gonna go ahead and try. I have like this I've got like one of these doohickeys, so I'm gonna see if I can make this work. If not, that kind of sucks. I don't even know where the rest of it is, so that's not ideal. Look what Santa just dropped off. This is gonna help out with our race pack dash tremendously. It's a huge box, so goddamn, this is large. We'll dive into this in a second though. We'll just gotta wait. Might wait till tomorrow. All right, well, fast forward like, I don't know, 2 hours. Had to go get some more brake fluid first of all. Where am I going? And also have to do a couple of running errands. So we're back. So that whole bleeder thing there, garbage. So I'm gonna go ahead now. We're gonna switch over to seeing if we got the leaks figured out. Alright guys, so we're gonna, oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm never gonna get over that. So I got the car jacked up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure the clutch works, the transmission works, because if that doesn't work, we're in trouble. Alright, clutch in. Oh yeah. Not sure if we'll take it on the streets today, but maybe that'll be safe for tomorrow's video. Maybe we'll do what's in that box tomorrow, and maybe take it on the first drive around the street. But at least today we'll get it around the hood, you know? The G hood. Yeah, this is it. I mean, the first drive is always kind of has you anxious a little bit, like especially when you've touched like every part of this car, but nothing to be worried about. Yeah, she looks good. Just needs that front bumper now. Sort of warm up for a couple minutes. Built motor life, I guess, right? First drive. This clutch is crazy. It grabs right at the top, man. Super light. South bend clutch, if you guys are wondering. Here we go. Oh. Oh my god, I can tell it has so much torque. Holy hell. Holy hell. Oh my god. Holy shit. Excuse my language if I cuss, I apologize, because this right here is insane. This Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, the throttle is so sensitive, I love it. It's kind of sketchy without power steering. This clutch is really weird because it grabs right at the top. Temperatures are looking great. Oh my god. It drives, bro. No way, dude. He says my neighbors are probably like, fuck you, dude. Oh, going probably like, hell yeah, brother. Oh, this thing is gonna be a monster. Sorry, you guys are gonna have to deal with my excitement right now. This sound. Oh, dude, that is intoxicating. Second gear, 2000 RPM. Jesus! That's barely any gas, too, man. Brakes are really good, holy hell. Dude, I don't know if you guys can hear this turbo, but what the hell? This thing is a monster. Temperatures are great right now, 178. This turbo is crazy. It's so talkative. Damn, these brakes are nuts. No. Wow. This is crazy, dude. This is crazy. I built. Rich, what did you make me do right here, bro? What did you make me build for you, brother? She's a monster. She's a monster, bro. Oh my god. I mean, I could just sit right here and listen to this for hours. Anyone else, or is this just me? You guys have no idea how happy I am. I know I said I was happy when we got this thing started up, and yes, I was indeed. Our hood latch popped up though, so good thing. I don't know why. I think maybe the cable might be a little bit too tight. You know, shakedown. This is why we shake it down. Guys, you guys, oh, I don't know if you guys know how excited I currently am right now. I didn't give it any more than quarter throttle at any point in time. There was no more than a quarter throttle applied. We're still in shakedown zone, guys. We're in the neighborhood. Can't be too crazy. Nothing spewing out our little overflow. No weird sounds. No hissing. I think we built ourselves a pretty good car here. I don't know about you guys, but wow, this turbo is. She's talkative. Let's just put it that way. All right, guys. Well, that is gonna do it, man. That is gonna do it. We have some big news. We have some very, very big news. The dyno day has been scheduled, so I am leaving for Kentucky. Now the question is, are we driving this thing down or are we trailering it down? If you guys have been here for around 12 months, a little bit more, you guys saw that we drove my car pre-tuned, without a tune on it, all the way down to Kentucky from here. Great like that was such an awesome set of like those videos were awesome. I think it'd be super awesome content to take this down and drive it down. So far, first drive went great. I honestly feel very comfortable in this car right now. So I'm headed down to Kentucky August 18th. I'm gonna be spending about a week there, so it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a lot of awesome content, a lot of street tuning, getting this thing dialed on 93, and then the weekend of the 25th, I think, is when we're gonna do E85 tuning. So it's gonna be a week full of super awesome content. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. Again, if you guys missed any part of the build, go ahead and check out the playlist, man. Everything is documented from the moment when we had this RB25 that's currently disassembled on our shelf that was in there to where it currently sits.
But thanks guys again. Subscribe as always. You guys know the deal. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, all down below. If you guys want to go ahead and grab a sticker, oh my god, just by the way, my oil slicks should be here very, very soon. I'm so sorry. It is taking a little bit longer than I anticipated. That's okay. They're still coming. I did not forget about you guys, so if you guys place an order, just be a little bit patient with me. They're coming. I know you guys have been patient, so I appreciate it, but they're coming. Also, I really want to get some t-shirts, some merch, man. I really think merch is like so needed on this channel, and it would really help me out too. So if you guys want to help me out with some t-shirt designs, and obviously if you guys help me out, I'll help you out, you know. So get in touch with me, shoot me an Instagram, DM, email, whatever. Preferably not a comment in the video because I might not see it. So yeah, but anyways, what do you guys think? Tomorrow maybe take it on the streets, maybe get the bumper on. We got some stuff planned for tomorrow, so I'll see you guys then. Take it easy, have a good night, peace.